Today we're going to take a look at a studio, preferred view studio in the Villas at the Disneyland Hotel, just opened. This is the bathroom. As soon as you go in on the right, there's the bathroom. Nice lighted mirror. There's a rainfall shower head in the shower. The water closet is separate with a door. And we see a pretty nice bathroom. It's very bright. Back out into the main room. That door goes to the one bedroom next door that connects to this to become a two bedroom. But right now we're just looking at the studio. This is a preferred view studio. We'll look out the window in a moment. But there you see the little kitchenette. There's some closets and storage space next to it. There is a couch with the Murphy bed that pulls down. A lighted mirror in the room. There's some nice etched artwork behind the television and behind the mirror, and then there's some Princess and the Frog artwork on the wall. This looks out into the courtyard of the Disneyland Hotel in the center, so you see the pool. There is the lighted headboard, so that lighted headboard is, you can turn that on or off. The room overall is pretty spacious, and I think it's laid out fairly well. Let's pull down the Murphy bed and look at the artwork that's back here. So that's very nice. All of these rooms are themed. And then the artwork is according to the theme inside the Murphy bed, inside the bathroom, on the headboard. And then even, look at this, in the closet, there's artwork on the back of the closet. Now you might not realize that mirror moves, but that's hiding a lot of your closet space. And then over here there's some more closet space, some shelves, there's your ironing board, there's your extra bedding. And then let's look here in the kitchen. In the kitchen space, we have our dishes and silverware. And then up here, we have the toaster and the ice bucket. There's a microwave. There's a fridge down below. But there's a fair amount of storage space overall in this room.